break if you need to, and then come back. So now, time to work on athleticism, agility, fitness, and power. We're going to train like athletes. We're going to look like athletes when we're done. Start with a 3-step run. Right side go. Step it out. Now, 1, 2, hop, hop. Land on the outside leg. Now, you can stick with this, and this works the agility. Land on the outside leg. Keep your chest up. Now, your option is to go low and sink it to the outside leg, pushing off with your heel. That loads up the quads, loads up the glutes. That's how you work your bum. Last one, hop over and back. Now, I want you to think about hopping over something. Like a big puddle of sweat, how about that? That's what's happening. Pull the opposite leg in, use your hands. Now stay here, or option, skater, back and forth. Your hands from side to front. You use the momentum to go low, to go wide. Chest stays up. Now, change, run in place. Catch your breath. We're good. All right, athletes, speed, sprints. Down low, hands up, chest up. Here we go. Run up. Now, use this to take a break. Heart rate, low guys, sprint. Down low, quick, quick. Hands up, run back. Protect the goal. Now, come here. Again, breathe. Heel to butt. Good. How low can you get? How fast can you get? Go back. 2. You want to do it again? Why not? 3-step run. Now, second burst, same as the first. Run back. Chest stays up. Work on the agility. Or, let's see power. Sink. Push. Off the outside leg. Do it again. Heel down. Chest up. Heart rate's coming up again. Up. That big puddle of sweat is getting bigger, so you gotta hop over hard. Down. Now, stick with Wassa, or go with us. Skater, go, boom. Back and forth. Chest stays up, hands to side and front. There you go. Chest up, abs in. Run, back. All right, get your breath. We got one more to go. Sprint, down low. Hands up, fast feet, fast feet. Come here. Legs up. Now, I want to see how fast you can go. Down quick, go, 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 go. Move back, move back. You got one last chance, guys, run up. Catch your breath, heel to butt. Who's going to be faster? Emma? Heather? Me? You? Now straight into skater. Back, forth. And now one big push left. You can stay here, go with Wassa, or you can really challenge yourself today. Low, wide, hop over. It's low, and as long as you can go, push. All that you got left. 3, 2, out hook. Awesome, awesome job.